Today, guys, I want to share with you this new device from Scienlodic, and it is a recover pad. So it's going to help with any of your muscle pains, joints, and things like that. So what I want to do today is unbox this with you guys, tell you how this works, give you a few of the benefits, and then I am going to come back in a month to let you know what I have been experiencing from using this. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is from the brand Scienlodic, and they actually did send this to me to review for you guys. And I had explained a few of the issues that I was having with my body, and they suggested that this would be really good to help. So let's go ahead and unbox this together. I will give you a few of the benefits of what red light therapy is supposed to help with and give you the cost of this. And I can't remember if they gave me a discount code to share with you guys or not, but if they did, I'll have it in the description box along with the link where you can go directly to this, get a little bit more information if you want to see some more information about this. First of all, you're going to have your user manual, and it does say we recommend for best results to use 30 minutes per time, 3 to 4 times a week. And if you're new, you can start with just a 5-minute treatment, then work your way up to the 30-minute treatments. So it looks like it comes with a pouch to keep it stored in when you're not using it. So we'll just get that out. So this is what the pad is going to look like. So it's really nice. It's made out of a good, durable material, and then you can see right here is where you're going to put your charge in, and then here are where all of the red lights are going to be, and I'll give you a little bit more information about it. I just kind of wanted to open it up first. So you can see it has this plastic coating over top of this, so when this is against your skin, you're not going to have to worry about anything, and it's really nice and flexible, so you're going to be able to put it on those parts that you want, whether it be your knee, your elbow, back, shoulder, anything like that. It's going to be able to work real easily to be flexible and get exactly in those places that you need. And then the next thing in the box is going to be the Velcro to strap it together, and I'll show you where I'm going to be using it, why I'm going to be using it there, and kind of just demonstrate how to put it on. And then it looks like you have a case with some sunglasses, so you want to put some sunglasses on when you're using the red light therapy. And then this is going to be your power. Then here are the two other pieces that you're going to have in there, which is your power cord, so you will plug this into the wall. And then you have this end that is going to fit in the controller part, so you're going to just attach these together. And then this has the plug-in that's going to go in the actual device, and then on this you're going to have the power button and then the modes that you can change this to, along with a timer. So this will have your timer. And then I just went ahead and plugged those two into each other, and then I have the controller right here, and on the controller I'm going to hit the power button. So it's got all when it comes on that. So there's quite a bit of red lights, the infrared and the red lights that you're going to be using and utilizing. And then you also have this timer that is right here where you can set it for 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25, 30. So if you want to start it off with the 5 minutes and work your way up, you can go all the way up to the 30 minutes. And then this is going to give your frequency, so you can kind of see that this is pulsating in different modes, if you can see that. So you can look at your instruction manual and see like which mode you want it to be in. So this particular pad has both the 660 nanometer lights, the red light, and then it also has the 850 nanometer near infrared light. So when you click on this button right here, it's going to show you 660 to begin with, or you can just use the 850, or you can use them all. So when I use it, I'm going to be using it all. And then here is your different modes that you can use. And then here is your brightness at the top. It goes from L1 all the way to L5. If you want to start out with the lowest and just kind of see what intensity you want, then that's the option that you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off so the red lights aren't in your face. And then you can just see how much of that you have on here, and then that plastic coating is kind of protecting you from the direct bulbs. So this is the Recover Pad, and it retails for $229. And like I said, if I do have a discount code, that'll be in the description box for you guys. But definitely make sure you click on the link so you can see if there's any more information that you want to find out about, see some testimonies, reviews, things like that, then you can definitely do that. But this is an FDA registered product, and you do have your 2-year warranty with it with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it, see if you're going to like it, see if it gives you the results that you're looking for. And if not, you have that money-back guarantee, so you don't have to really worry about the purchase. So this is going to work good for most of your body parts, but specifically for like the bigger areas like your stomach, your back, your shoulders, And like I was saying, it does have the 660 nanometer red light and the 850 nanometer near infrared. And for that reason, it's going to penetrate all the way to the bone so that you can get some healing and some relief in some of the areas that you might have problems with. So you have 4 different modes, and I actually want to look at some notes so that I tell you the right thing for each of these modes. So you've got the recover mode, and what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to relieve fatigue and pain by rapidly increasing tissue temperature. And then you have the relax mode. It's going to balance your body's rhythms to ease stress and enhance your mood. Relief mode, which is going to alleviate inflammation and chronic pain. And that's the mode that I'm going to be using this one on once I try it. And then you have the enhanced mode, which is going to accelerate lactic acid removal, produce protein, and sculpt muscles. So if you're somebody that works out a lot and wants a little bit of recovery from that, then you can use this pad for that. But I am going to be doing the relief mode because the reason that I chose to try and review this out, and I'm really excited to try this, is because I have some lower back pain, and I was trying to explain that to the person that I was emailing back and forth, and that's why they suggested me to try this one, because they think that this will really work out with my back pain. I'm not somebody that likes to take any kind of medicine for it or anything like that. Years ago, when I was a flight attendant, my back hit up against the steel bar where you close the door in the back in the galley when I was making coffee. And so since then, I've just had some issues with that lower back, and it's been years. I mean, it's been like over 20 years since I've had those issues. And basically, my back will ache on a daily basis, and I just want to have some kind of relief. I try stretching exercises and things like that, but when they had said that the red light therapy works for that, I did a little bit of research to try to see how it's going to help to alleviate that. So I'm really excited to try this out, you guys. So what I wanted to do in today's video was kind of give you a little bit of information about this, unpackage it with you, tell you how it works, tell you the different modes that it has in case you want to kind of research this and look at it yourself. And then I am going to come back in a month after I've used this. So my plan is to go ahead and use it for the full 30 minutes to see if it's going to give me any results. And I will start off with 7 days a week, and then I will kind of move down. So this will just be a personal result. You know, results vary from person to person, whether or not you need to use this for 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, the full 30 minutes, whether you need to use it 4 times a week. Just, it's going to be how much pain you're feeling or inflammation or what you're actually trying to do, which mode you're using. So it's all going to depend on you on a personal level, what you're going to want to do. So I'm going to come back and experiment a little bit with 10 minutes, 15 minutes here, 20 minutes. I'm going to do a lot of experimenting and see how this is going to help me. So like I said, I have that lower back pain right here on this one side. It's a daily occurrence, so hopefully this can alleviate that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this pad, and I'll put it underneath my clothes. I'm not going to put it over top of my clothes, but obviously I'm not going to do that for purposes of this video. But what we'll do is just strap this on there so that it'll hold it in place, and then I'm going to have it on that side that is the side that I injured many years ago, and hopefully that will help to alleviate that. And a lot of times when I'm standing on my feet in one place, like when I'm doing videos for you guys and things like that, or if I'm just standing in line, it really does irritate that area. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a really good natural way to help to alleviate that pain. This has been proven to boost blood flow and your metabolism, and it also claims to relieve neuropathy and muscle pain. So that I have the muscle pain, so I'm going to see if the claims that it helps to relieve that is true. And like I said, I'm going to come back to you in a month and give you the results for that. It also is supposed to enhance bone density and joint health. Of course, with age, we lose a little bit of our bone density. So if you're someone that has trouble with that or any kind of joint pain, this is supposed to help to alleviate that. It's going to reduce your inflammation, which is the main culprit for some of your joint pains and your muscle pains, is that inflammation that you get. This is going to cover a really good area because it's a 22 by 14. So like I said, I can put this on the back area that is hurting me. I can actually put it on my entire back. I can turn this around the other way and use it on my entire back, but it's going to be completely safe to do it. It has 0 EMP and 0 side effects. So this is a good natural way to try to relieve any of those issues that you might have. It increases the blood flow to help to repair the tissues. It reduces endorphins, and it alleviates any of that inflammation that you may have. I also wanted to mention one more thing. So initially, this company had asked me if I would review their cap, which has all of these red lights on the inside of this. So you just put this on top of your head. Of course, I have it charged because I was charging it before I wanted to show this to you guys, but it comes with a charger, and you cannot charge this up at the same time that you're using it like you can the Recover Pad. The Recover Pad, you can actually plug it in if you want to use it and you don't have it charged, you can plug it in somewhere and be able to use this. But this you're gonna have to charge ahead of time. And then you have your buttons on the front of this where you turn the lights on and off with this, and it has a lot of red lights here. And what this is supposed to do is this is supposed to help with hair growth. If you have been seeing some hair loss, this will help with hair growth. And it's also supposed to help if you have issues with insomnia, to kind of relax you and just get you motivated to be a little bit more relaxed and help with the insomnia. So originally they had asked me to review this, and I told them that I really have some thick hair, so I don't think that a review of this would be very beneficial because I'm not sure that I would really see the results as with someone that has some thinning hair. So that's when I had talked about the back issues and where I had done some research that red light therapy would help with that. And so that's why they sent me the Recover Pad, which I showed you earlier. But they had mistakenly sent this one to me ahead of time, and they said that I didn't have to do a review on this, but my dad actually has some thinning hair from the years where he has worn hard hats right there on the corner where it kind of like comes in an X. It has made his hair thin right there in that area. So I asked him if he would try this for me. And so I'm gonna do some before and after pictures for you. I'm gonna have him try this for 30 days. So when I come back and tell you about my benefits of the back pad, I'm also gonna tell you the benefits of the hair therapy as well. So let me turn this off so I'm not showing the red lights right in your face. This has a lot of lights in this one, and this one also has the 660 nanometer and the 850 nanometer. And I'm gonna come back in 30 days and give you the results of this one as well. But since I had it, I thought it would be really beneficial if any of you all are showing any kind of hair loss or have problems getting to sleep quickly, that this might be something that would be beneficial to you. And it's just something easy to do. You just put it on your head for 15 minutes a day as you're going about any of your other activities, and you don't have to worry about it. It's going to do its magic and do its work while you're out doing whatever you need to do, or you can just relax, read a book, and have this on for the 15 minutes that you would need on a daily basis as well. So I did want to just mention this because this is something I'll be testing out as well. It's from the same company, but I thought this was something that's going to target something different. It's going to increase that blood flow on your scalp and to help with hair growth if you ever see any kind of hair loss. So I hope you found this video helpful to give you a little bit of information about red light therapy and what it can do, and just kind of show you the products that are out there. And like I said, in 30 days, I'm going to come back and tell you the benefits of the hat for hair loss and for insomnia. And then I'm going to come back and tell you the benefits from the recovery pad as far as the back pain that I'm feeling, which is on a daily basis. It's in the muscle. So make sure that you're subscribed so you can see when I do upload the video once I get the results from testing out these two products for you guys. And I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.